5 rookie investment mistakes that cost me $10,000 and how to fix them tonight. Hey everyone, imagine a stick figure named Bob, all wide-eyed and tossing his life savings into the stock market like it's a slot machine. That was me a few years back, thinking I'd be sipping coffee with Elon Musk in no time. Instead, I lost $10,000. Ouch. Today, I'm breaking down 5 rookie investment mistakes I made with Bob's cartoon-level disasters so you can dodge my financial faceplants and fix them tonight. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Chasing hype like a cartoon rocket. Bob sees a stock blowing up on X with everyone shouting, "To the moon!" He dumps $3,000 into some crypto coin called Moondoggy because, well, it sounds cool. Next week, it crashes harder than Bob tripping over his own stick feet. I lost $3,000 chasing a trending stock I didn't understand. Hype is a trap. Posts on X aren't financial advice. Fix it tonight. Do your homework. Pull up Yahoo Finance or Morningstar and check the company's numbers. Revenue, profits, debt. If it's a crypto, read the white paper. Spend 10 minutes researching before you click buy. No more Moondoggy disasters. Mistake number 2. Investing without a plan. Picture Bob throwing darts at a stock chart, blindfolded while riding a unicycle. That was my strategy. Pure vibes, no logic. I jumped from tech stocks to penny stocks, losing $2,000 because I had no clue what I was aiming for. Fix it tonight. Write down your goal. Want to retire early? Go for index funds like the S&P 500. Historically, they grow 7 to 10% a year. Want quick cash? Try swing trading, but only with money you can afford to lose. Your plan is your GPS. Without it, you're just lost in stick figure land. Mistake number 3. Ignoring sneaky fees. Bob's broker is a stick figure in a suit, secretly pocketing cash every time Bob trades. I didn't notice trading fees and high expense ratios eating $1,500 of my gains. Some platforms charge $5 per trade, and funds with 1% fees sound small, but devour your profits over time. Fix it tonight. Switch to low-cost platforms like Schwab, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Check expense ratios, aim for under 0.2%. For example, Vanguard's VTI ETF has a 0.03% fee. Compare fees on your app tonight. It takes 5 minutes and saves thousands. Mistake number 4. Panic selling like a cartoon chicken. The market dips and Bob's running in circles, screaming, "The sky is falling." I sold a great stock during a 2022 market dip, losing $2,500 I'd have made back by holding. Markets are like roller coasters. They dip, then climb. Data shows the S&P 500 recovers from most dips within 1 to 2 years. Fix it tonight. Zoom out on Google Finance or your app. Look at 5 or 10-year trends. If the company's solid, good earnings, low debt, hold tight. Set price alerts instead of hitting the sell button. Don't be Bob flailing at the first drop. Mistake number 5. Putting all eggs in one basket. Bob pours his entire savings into one stock, imagining a yacht. Then it tanks and he's eating instant noodles for a year. I lost $1,000 by betting big on one company. Diversification is your safety net. Fix it tonight. Spread your money across at least 10 to 15 stocks or ETFs. Mix sectors, tech, healthcare, energy. A simple rule: no single stock should be more than 10% of your portfolio. Try ETFs like VOO or QQQ for instant diversification. Bob's yacht dreams can wait. Safety first? You don't have to be Bob tripping over financial banana peels. These fixes are quick. Tonight, open your investment app. Research one stock, check fees, diversify, and write a plan. Studies show diversified low-fee portfolios beat 80% of amateur investors. Avoid my $10,000 cartoon catastrophe. Start small, stay smart, and invest like a pro, not a stick figure. Your wallet deserves better. Thanks for listening. Now go fix those mistakes.